Do you know the signs of dehydration, or have you been mistaking your body's distress signals for something else? In the world of health and wellness, understanding your body's needs is paramount. Today, we're diving into the fascinating topic of dehydration. Stay tuned as we unveil the 3 telltale signs that your body is screaming for more water. First off, do you find yourself constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep? If yes, your body might be running low on water. You see, water plays a crucial role in energy production. When we're dehydrated, our cells struggle to generate energy, making us feel fatigued. Imagine a car running low on gas, sputtering and stalling. That's you, but on water. So the next time you feel unusually tired, don't reach out for that cup of coffee. Grab a glass of water instead. Secondly, do you always feel hungry? Your body might be confusing thirst for hunger. This is because our brain can misinterpret the signals it's receiving. When we are dehydrated, our brain may signal us to eat, thinking that food will provide the necessary hydration. By staying well hydrated, you not only keep your body functioning at its best, but you might also prevent those extra trips to the fridge. Remember, the next time your stomach growls, it might just be asking for a sip of water, not a snack. Lastly, have you noticed a change in the color of your urine? A darker shade could indicate dehydration. The color of your urine can be a great hydration barometer. Clear or light-colored urine is a good sign, suggesting you're well hydrated. On the other hand, if your urine is dark, like the depths of a moonlit lake, that's a red flag. It's your body's way of saying, hey, we could use a little more water here. In other words, keep an eye on the color, folks. Your urine might be telling you something important. To sum up, constant fatigue, unending hunger pangs, and dark urine are 3 signs that you might be dehydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Strive to drink enough water daily. Remember, your body is 60% water, so keep it happy, keep it hydrated.